egg up here.
Oh, Lainey.
Bird. Remember we brought the bird?
Have a baby.
A live sparrow up here. Lottie, what were you doing with
You
it?
like your baby?
We caught it.
Oh, it's so cute.
There's wrappers in here.
Lainey probably had puppies and then
Did you see the last tub up here?
she's licking it. Good girl. She's still trying to get up here.
All the blankets are like piled up. Don't drop it.
Sorry about I have it around my wrist.
Oh my god. Hey, I'm up. Just jump and pull yourself up. I'm not strong enough. I hardly have any upper body strength. Why? Use your powers.
Magical powers.
Ew, you're still eating those things.
I don't like peppermint stuff like that.
What's wrong with it? How come you were eating it the other day then?
Yeah, I was eating the chocolate ones, the normal ones.
What are you talking about?
Weren't there normal ones?
Yeah. These are the normal ones. Milk chocolate.
That has peppermint in it.
You were eating these.
You were eating them, honey.
I was?
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
Yum, 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 yum.
Nuh-uh.
So good.
Yes, you were.
Yes, you were.
But how come I don't like the ones in my house? I have the same ones.
Try it.
Did you take the ones from my house as well?
No, if you have them.
Can we please redo this attic now?
What do you want to do with it?
Susie and me will do it.
Please cleaning your guinea pig.
No, what do you want us to do with it, though?
Decorate it.
With what?
It's all wet. Oh, it's so cute.
Just like move things around.
I don't have any shit like mine. Mine has a lot of shit.
A lot.
Big.
A lot of shit, dude.
Ashley,
I don't even have an attic,
give me my
so.
cough drop.
Ashley's taking pillows.
Okay, everybody say goodbye.
Oh, I can't.
Goodbye and goodbye. Goodbye.
Callan,
You freaking
say goodbye.
Bye.
The attic of secrets.
Say goodbye.
Stop.